How to see and find your account status on your Instagram account. About your Instagram account, of course. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, guys, you go down and you open your profile here. And then you go to this three line and click. Then go to settings. And then go to account. And you go to account status. Then here, as you see the message, you haven't posted anything that it's affecting your account status. I don't have yeah, as you see here, thank you for following our community guidelines. So here I can find what is my account status, and that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.